So this is July 5th, and we're getting ready for the second marketing session for counselors creating badass businesses. I'm Kate Walker, and I am on mile 2 of my 3-mile walk, and so I'm going to be gasping. Gasping for air, maybe grabbing some water. It's early in the morning, but I'm super sweaty. So in the video blog I did last time, I talked a little bit about your ideal client. In this one, I want you to remind yourself who you're doing this for. So at our training, at our workshop, Wednesday, July 10th, at Ahana Therapy in Montrose from 9 a.m. to noon, I want you to bring a picture of someone you love who is depending on you to get this right. So let me kind of share. I'm a co-wage earner in my home. I have 3 kiddos, one in college. I have a senior in high school heading to college next year. I have a 27-year-old who is independent, but sometimes likes to fall off mountains. So I have a dream that I am, even 5 years from now, generous. I'm available. I'm able to spend time with them. And I'm contributing to the income of my household. So that's my husband's income, or retirement income, which brings me to retirement. Part of my why, part of my clarity statement is anything I do cannot take from what we have as our normal operating budget. So if I decide to do something big, like publish, get 100 more books from my publisher, and that costs me money, at the end of the year, I still must show a profit. If anything I do draws from my family nest egg, my family operating budget, then what I have is a hobby, not a career. And I know that sounds harsh, but as we approach marketing, it's probably one of the hardest things that counselors have to do, because we categorize ourselves as introverts, or I'm not a detail person, or I'm busy, I've got too much going on. And I respect that. I totally respect that. If you are asking me how to market your business successfully, then we have to start with clarity. We have to start with what is your why. And so having a mental image of who you are doing this for, heck, I don't care, bring a picture of a mansion in the mountains, or a cabana on the beach. Bring something that is a visual for why you are doing this. Not why you're doing this, but why you must do this well. I know why you're doing it, because you're a counselor. You love what you do. And it's a beautiful thing that we get to do what we love and make a living at it. So those are my thoughts. I will see some of you Wednesday. We're thinking about turning it into a webinar, but no firm plans yet. So hopefully we will see you in person or via webcam. All right, have a beautiful day.